In the early session today itself, gold has seen a good drop, has achieved 1625 and silver has gone to 1846 levels. Now what can be expected throughout this day? Before I come up with my next analysis before the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on this channel is missing on this, missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do subscribe, like, share and comment and press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest update. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully and note down the levels here. See, on the hourly charts, it was consolidating, then a breakout happened, and now it is trying to reverse all the losses. And hence, only and only if you see gold trading above 1650, that is the time when one can consider that it is trying to reverse, and you can buy here. Beyond 1650, you can again expect it to hit 1660 zone. This is very strong resistance, 1660 and 1665, and only reversal confirmation is above 1670. So be careful. Yes, you can buy at 1650. Till 1650, do not trade. Now look at the directional movement. Directional movement is bearish, but it is trying to narrow it down. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge, and RSI is now trying to come out of the oversold zone. Possibly we may see a little sideways trade. Likewise on the 2-hour chart. Now see on the 2-hour chart, see lower highs were seen here. You can clearly see, and it was trying to consolidate in this zone. Then it broke out below 1640. A sharp drop has been seen. 1625 achieved. Now trying to reverse the gain. Again the same resistance level at 1647. And yes, if you see with the next candle, gold trading above 1650, you can definitely buy there. And beyond that, my target is 1660 levels and 1665. This is going to be a very strong resistance. Only confirmation of it trading bullish is above 1670 levels. So yes, you can buy at 1650, but remember to trade with a strict stop loss. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge. Possibly it has seen the lows out there and it is trying to converge from here. Be careful here. The RSI has seen a bottom and it is trying to bounce back. But look at the 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour charts, lower highs are seen. On the 3-hour charts, it gave a strong breakout out of this zone and breached the support at 1640. At the same time, see, every candle has a meaning. It traded outside the Bollinger Bands. With the next candle, the width of the Bollinger Bands must be increased, and then it opens below this candle. Possibility of it to drop exists, and then it may try to trade within this zone, creating higher lows, lower highs. That means it may fail to break past 1650 and it may fail to break past 1625 for a little while from now. The directional movement is extremely bearish and divergent. Stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone here. The MACD is bearish and it is trading parallel. It is still not trying to converge. Remember this fact, indicating little more bearishness there. And RSI is again oversold. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at, likewise on the 4-hour charts, 4-5 candles consistently traded in box, and this time it tried to break out. Yes, every candle has a meaning. It has achieved the lows here, and with the next candle, possibly the Bollinger Bands width must be expanded, and similarly it can try to open below the closure of this candle, and then it can try to trade within this zone itself. The directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is still trading parallel. It is not convergent, indicating bearishness, and the RSI is looking downwards. On the daily charts, if you look at, now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, another observation, see these candles here. Yes, you can buy at 1650 levels, but expect that it is going to get the resistance at 1660, 1665 and 1670 levels. Only little bullish confirmation is if it trades above 1670. I think it may not breach 1650 for a little while from now and trade in this zone itself, that is 1650 to 1625. Anytime if you see it breaking beyond 1650 is a good indication that you should buy. And then see, we should always look out for the level where you can take a safe entry, and those who follow me regularly must understand the criticality of levels by now. And hence only bullish confirmation on gold today is if it trades past 1650 levels and specifically beyond 1670. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is trading divergent and bearish, and RSI is trading oversold here. Considering Buy above 1650, expect 1660, 1665 and 1670 as the target. Till 1670 you have to trade with a strict stop loss at your entry price, or you have to put a trailing stop loss such that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profit. It is showing, the gold is showing good volatility today. You have to be cautious with your positions. On the downside, yes, you can try to initiate a short entry. You can sell here at around 1636 levels, and beyond that, see, you have to be very cautious and alert. First target is 1630, next is 1628 and next 1625. Below 1625 you can expect a further drop. Then I will be looking forward to 1618, 1610 and 1608 levels. In fact, it can drop till towards 1600, if not today, possibly by tomorrow. So yes, you can sell here at 1630, but be cautious and alert. As I am warning you, it may try to trade for a little duration in between 1625 to 1650 level. This is a very strong consolidation zone where gold might consolidate for a little while from now. The breakout should be considered only above 1650, where it may try to rise. So trade accordingly. Do not trade between 1636 and 1650 levels for now. You have to be cautious in between these $14. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a strict stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Likewise on the silver, if you look at, see, it gave a strong dropout and still trying to trade within this itself. Yes, a bullish confirmation is if you see silver trading above 1890 or 18.9 levels, and then you may expect 1900 or $19 as a strong resistance. Beyond that only you can confirm that it is trying to hit 1920, 1940 levels. These are going to be stronger resistance on the upside. And if you see on the downside, 1840 is a very strong support. Now what can be done in between 1840 and 1890? We will see here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is coming out of the oversold zone, MACD willing to converge, and RSI coming out of the oversold zone too. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, lower highs, and consider it for a breakout. If it trades beyond 1890, you can buy there. 1900 the first resistance, 1920 levels are the next target, and then 1930, 1940 levels can be seen. If it tries to break past 1900, it may try to act little bit bullish. The directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is still trading bearish. It is trading parallel. RSI is bouncing back from the oversold zone here, and on the 3-hour charts, see, it is trying to trade within this. Possibly the next candle which will come is going to be a further sharp candle. With this breakout, it has created the, or it has expanded the Bollinger Bands. It has created an opportunity for silver to trade further bearish with the next candle, and this time the candle can be further sharp and it may try to drop sharply further below. This time US, if you see it trading below 1860, you can take a sell entry, and below 1860 you can expect it to hit 1840 levels. 1850 is the first target, 1840 the next target, and below that we may see 1820 and below levels. Directional movement extremely divergent and bearish, stochastic coming out of the oversold zone. MACD is still trading bearish here, and RSI is looking downwards and into oversold zone. Likewise, same is the story on the 3-hour charts. Also it is divergent and bearish, but remember this is oversold. It can try to either sustain here or try to come out of it. That we need to look at. The MACD is extremely bearish and divergent. It may start to converge, but before that it can try to achieve the lows out there. RSI looking downwards, and on the daily chart, it has seen the lows out there. It may try to confine its movement within this. Only bullish confirmation, only breakout confirmation is above 1890. If you see it trading above 1890, consider it for a buy. Else till 1890, every opportunity to rise is a good opportunity to sell. Possibly, yes, you can sell here at 1860, but then 1850 is a good support, and then below that we may see 1840, 1820, 1800 levels can be seen. This is trying to break out on the daily charts. See, this is trying to break out these levels, and hence it may trade bearish. It can try to give you similar size of candle on the daily charts, where it has the possibility for it to achieve 1800 or $18 levels. Directional movement is extremely bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards and it is trying to enter into oversold zone. It is already there. The MACD has crossed over on silver. This is the first red candle. We can expect more bearishness in the coming days, and RSI is trading flat. But remember, this is also trading oversold here. So one needs to be cautious. Yes, you can buy only above 1890 levels. If you see it trading above 1890, buy there. Expect 1900, 1910, 1920. In fact, 30, 40 till 40, it has got stronger resistance. The two milestone levels are 1920 and 1940. On the downside, you can sell there at 1860. Below 1860, you can expect a drop for 1850, 1840 and then 1820 levels can be seen. In fact, below 1820, 1808 and 1800 are expected. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a strict stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And remember, you have to trade with always a stop loss at cost. So trade accordingly, take your positions accordingly. On if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch starting on 3rd of October. This is the 16th batch. 15 days, 9 and 90 minutes live webinar session. Definitely it will help you become profitable and proficient trader. Else you can join my signals group. If not, become a patron and support the effort out here. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss. Thank you.